So this is our next exercise, that is based on area of triangle. So area of right angled triangle. First is area of right angled triangle, means this is the height and this is the base. So area of a right angled triangle is equals to half into base into height. Half into base into height is the area of a right angled triangle. It can be made the other way around as well, like this. Here ABC is a triangle and height is this. This is the height and this is the base here. So here also area is half into base into height, or you can take it the other way around as well. If AC is the base, then this will be the height taken. Okay, if half into AC, then height is BD. Okay, the second form is area of equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means a triangle which have all the sides equal. B, C. This equals to this equals to this. Means this is A centimeter. This is also A, and this is also A. So here area is root 3 by 4 side square, that is root 3 by 4 A square, when this value of side is given, when the value of equal sides are given. So our third form is area of isosceles triangle. This is isosceles triangle in which AB and AC are equal. This is A, this is also A, and this is B. So here the area will be half 1 by 4 into D, B is the base, into root 4 A square minus B square, where A is the length of the equal sides and B is the other third side. Okay, so these were the areas for the triangle. So moving on to the next concept. Next concept is area of parallelogram. So area of parallelogram is, this is a parallelogram, A, B, C, D. Here the area will be this is E, this is F. Here area is base into height. Height is the altitude. Height means the altitude that is perpendicular height. Perpendicular means at 90 degree. Look, if DC is the base, then height, perpendicular height is AE. Or if BC is the base, then perpendicular height is AF, means line at 90 degree on it. This is base and then this is height. Look, by both the ways the area of triangle will be the same. Parallelogram will be same as the figure is the same. Okay, the area of parallelogram will remain the same. So starting with the exercise, this is our first question here. Our first question says this: we have to find the area of the triangle. So here the altitude is given this. Okay, this is the point D. Altitude given is BD. So what will be its base? Base will be AC. If you see the figure like this way, this is the base and this is the height. This is base and this is height. Base and height. What is the base here? Base is half into base is AC and height is BD. Okay. So here AC is 13 dm, height is 8 dm. Dm means decimeter. 4. It is 13 4s are 52 dm square. That is decimeter square. Okay. Then this is the second question here. Here also we have to find the area of triangle ABC. Here also again half into base into height. Okay. Here base is this BC and height here is AD. This is the base and this is the height between this. Look, you may find this is outside the triangle, but what is the basic intention? We have to find the perpendicular distance between this side and this top. So perpendicular distance between this side and top is 4.5. So half into 6 into 4.5. Cutting it by 3, it is 13.5. It was centimeter square. So this is our next question here. We have to find the area of parallelogram. So area of parallelogram was base into height. Okay. So here base is taken as BC and the height is this D. If we mark it as E, height here is DE. Okay, BC is the base and height is DE. So height is the perpendicular distance between the opposite sides. It is DE. Base is 16, height is 9. So 16 into 9 is 144. They were in meter. So meter square. So here this is also we have to find the area. So area is base into height. So here the base is LO. So height is, this is M. So this is, we take it as P. MP. Okay. So here base is LO, height is MP or PM. LO is 17, height is 13. So 17 into 13 is, they were in meters. Okay. So it is 221 meter square. So this is our next question. Here we have to find the base if the area of parallelogram is given. Here base is equals to x, height is 12 meter and area is 216 meter square. So area of parallelogram has a formula: base into height. Here it is 216 and height is given as 12, base is x, it is meter square. So here x is equals to 216 meter square upon 12 meter. Here meter and meter square is cancelled, only meter is left, 12 is cut by this, you get as 18. So x is 18 meters. That is base is 18 meters. So our second part here is, so our next part here is that base is given 16 centimeter. Base is 16 centimeter. Area of parallelogram is 232 centimeter square, and we have to find the height. So height is equals to area of parallelogram upon base. So here area of parallelogram is 232 centimeter square and base here is 16 centimeter. Centimeter and centimeter square are cut off, only centimeter is left, and 16 ones are, and here it is 16. Wait, if you cut it by 4, you will be left with 4, and here it is cut by 4, you will be left with 58, and cutting it by 2 again you will get 29, cutting it by 2 you will get 2, that is 29 upon 2 centimeter, that is 14.5 centimeter. It is the height of the parallelogram. So here our next question is, side of equilateral triangle is given as 16 centimeter and you have to find the area. So area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 side square. So root 3 by 4 into side is 16 into 16, cutting it by 4 you are left with 4. 4 into 16 is 64. Root 3, it is in 16, it is centimeter, so centimeter square. So value of root 3 is given as 1.73. So 64 into 1.73 centimeter square. This is equals to, this is 110.72 centimeter square. This is our answer. This is our next figure. Here we have to find the area of this shaded portion. This is a ABCD is a rectangle and this is a triangle, and if we subtract this area of triangle, this full rectangle, we will get the area of shaded portion. So we have to calculate the area of rectangle and triangle separately. Area of ABCD rectangle, it is equals to length into breadth. Here length is 26 centimeter and breadth is 15 centimeter. Okay, 26 into 15, it is 390 centimeter square. So this is the area of rectangle. Area of triangle AED. AED is half into base into height. Here base is this and height is this. Base is AD, height is EF. It is 60 centimeter square. Area of shaded portion is area of rectangle minus area of triangle. So here area of rectangle was 390 centimeter square minus 60, it is 330 centimeter square. This is the area of shaded portion of this given figure. So this is our next question. Here it says that ABCD is a parallelogram and we have to find the length of AF. Look, what we will do, the area of parallelogram always remains the same. First we will calculate the area about the height AE, and then we will calculate the area about the height AF. Okay, calculating the area of this ABCD will remain the same whether we calculate about AF or AE. So first, area of parallelogram is base into height. Okay, here the base is DC. Look, if this is the base, then this is the height. What is the length of DC? DC into AE. Here, look, AB is 20, then DC will also be 20. Why? Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. If this is 20, then DC will also be 20 centimeter, and this is 5.6 centimeter. Okay, it is 112 centimeter square. This is the area of parallelogram ABCD. Okay, so again, area of parallelogram is also equals to, if base is BC, then height is AF. If base is BC, height is AF. If base is BC, height is AF. Okay, so here area of parallelogram has been calculated earlier. Here BC is equals to 16 centimeter and height is AF. So AF will be equals to 112 upon 16 centimeter square upon centimeter. Centimeter square, centimeter is cut off, only centimeter is left. So 16, it is 7s are. So AF is equals to 7 centimeter. This is our answer. Okay. So this is our next question that says that base of parallelogram is twice its height. It says base is twice its height. So let height of parallelogram be x centimeter. So base will be equals to 2 times its height. 2 into height, that is 2x. Okay. Okay, so area is given as 512 centimeter, base into height is equals to area, that is here base is 2x, height is x, so area is 512. It is 2 into x square, it equals to 512 centimeter square. It says x square is equals to 512 upon 2 centimeter square. X square is equals to 256 centimeter square. So x is equals to 16 into 16 into centimeter into centimeter. X is equals to 16 centimeter. So height was x, that is 16 centimeter. Base was 2x, that is 2 into 16, that is 32 centimeter. Okay. So this is the figure and we have to find the area of the shaded portion. Means if we calculate the area of full rectangle and subtract the area of 2 triangles from it, then the area of shaded portion will be our answer. So okay, then for what we will do, we will calculate the area of these 2 triangles. Okay, this is H, this is E, and this is F. Okay. So area of triangle AEH. Look, this is at 90 degree. Okay, this is a rectangle. Area of triangle AHEH E. Half into base into height. Here base is AH and height is AE. Okay, if you see the figure in this way, okay, this is the base and this is the height. Okay, so here AH is 7 centimeters and AE is 4. It is 14 centimeter square. Okay, then what? Area of triangle BFH. It is also half base into height. If you see the figure this way, okay, then this will be the base and this will be the height. Base into height, base into height. So base is 3, that is BF into BH, that is half into BF is 3, 9 centimeter square. This is the area of this triangle. Okay, then area of rectangle is length into breadth. Here length is DC. DC is equals to AB. What is AB? 7 plus 6. This is length and breadth is this. Breadth is 4 plus 3. This is 13 plus 13 multiplied by 7. It is 91 centimeter square. So this is the area of rectangle. And now what? We have to calculate the area of shaded portion. Area of shaded is equals to area of rectangle minus area of two triangles. That is, it is 7 into 7 into 13, that is 91 minus area of two triangle. It is 14 and 9. This is, it is 68 centimeter square. It is the area of shaded portion. Okay, this is our answer.